वेलकम टू खाना मनपसंद। मैं कामना चोपड़ा खाना मनपसंद में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। टुडे वी आर मेकिंग ब्रेड रोल्स. This is a very easy recipe and these are the bread rolls with the cheese filling inside, and I hope you will enjoy the recipe. So the ingredients we will take are bread slices. Here I have taken medium size of bread. Here I have taken white bread. You can also use brown bread. Water for soaking the slices. You can also soak the slices in the milk. Cheese. Here I have taken mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese, you can say. You can also use processed cheese, but I will take this one. मैंने इसे क्यूब्स में काट लिया है छोटे छोटे. And here I have some potato masala with some veggies. इसमें मैंने लिए हैं potatoes, mashed potatoes, onions, grated carrots, जिंजर एंड कैप्सिकम एंड ग्रीन चिलीज, और उसको मैंने मैश करके उसमें सॉल्ट और पेपर ऐड कर दिया है. साथ ही मैंने इसमें थोड़ा चाट मसाला और लेमन जूस ऐड किया है. सो हियर वी विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग आवर ब्रेड रोल्स. फ्रेंड्स, आई एम गोइंग टू शैलो फ्राई माय ब्रेड रोल्स. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग आवर ब्रेड रोल्स. शो यू दैट हाउ टू रिमूव द एजेस एंड मेक द ब्रेड रोल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रिमूव द एजेस. Now I will make my all bread pieces like this. Don't throw these edges, just put into a mixer and run them, and then you can use them like breadcrumbs. There are two ways of making these bread rolls. First way, you can dip your slice like this and just squeeze it properly using your both the hands. Just try to remove all the water. So now we will stuff it using our stuffing. I will take a spoon of stuffing here. Just make a cavity inside. Just make a cavity inside and put a cheese cube here and cover it using the bread and the stuffing. So properly cover the slice and just roll them properly. I am giving them oval shape. You can make any shape of your bread rolls like this one. Now I will put it here. And the second way is that put the slice on a board or on a plate and brush it with some water. Just damp it little bit. This is the easy way, friends, but I like the other way, because if you are expert in cooking, then you can handle the fully soaked bread slices. But if you are not able to do so, then you can use this method. By this way, the bread will soak only the enough water it requires. You have no need to just squeeze your bread slice. Now take your slice and press it little bit. Take some stuffing, put it here in the center, flatten it out and put a cheese slice here, and then just try to roll your bread. I think this is a tough way because the bread is not so well soaked to handle. So I will make my rolls with the other way, but you can try this one also. If your bread rolls are not properly binded, then you can keep them in the fridge for about 1 hour, then fry them later. They will become really crispy and tasty. Bread. Now I will make all the bread rolls like this. First take the slice, dip into the water and squeeze it properly. Now I will put my stuffing here in the center. Keep a piece of mozzarella. Now cover it properly and roll it with the hand. Now I will make all my bread rolls like this. So friends, our bread rolls are ready. Now we will fry them. I have prepared my pan with the oil. So now we will make sure your oil is proper hot. Now we will check our oil. Oil is hot, so now we will shallow fry our bread rolls. Just keep 4 to 5 rolls at a time. Don't put so many rolls in the pan. I'm shallow frying my rolls because I don't want to use that oil again and again in frying. So here I'm using the less oil. But if you want to deep fry them, then you can deep fry your rolls. Now we will turn our rolls. You can see the nice color on the bread rolls. Just properly fry them from all the sides. Just make sure that you are frying them on high flame because it will make your bread crisp and it will not soak too much oil. So friends, our crispy bread rolls are ready. Now we will take them out of the pan on a tissue paper. Now we will fry all our bread rolls. So friends, our bread rolls are ready, and I would like to cut a piece of my bread roll for you. And I'm going to cut a piece. You can see the cheese inside the bread roll. This is a cheese slice and it is melted. You can see this. It is looking really delicious. Wow. Wow, it's so hot. So friends, if you like the recipe of bread rolls, then cheesy bread rolls or cheese stuffed bread rolls, then please do subscribe, and thanks for watching खाना मनपसंद। और उसकी फुल रेसिपी के लिए आप मेरे ब्लॉग khanamanapasan.blogspot.com पर लॉग इन कर सकते हैं। एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग खाना मनपसंद। इफ यू लाइक आवर वीडियोज देन प्लीज डू थम्स अप एंड share our recipes. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy your food. Bye. Stay healthy. Bye.